How to withdraw money from Prizepicks to Cash App. In this tutorial, I will show you step-by-step how to withdraw money from Prizepicks to Cash App. The first step is to open the Cash App mobile application, as shown here. You will land on the home page of the app. On this page, you will see different options that allow you to navigate to other areas of the app. From here, go to the bottom menu and tap on the card icon. Here it is. This will take you to the Cash App card section. If you already have a Cash App card, you'll be able to see your card details here. If not, you will need to order a new card because you'll need these card details in the next steps. Once your card is ready, exit the Cash App and open the Prizepicks mobile application. You will land on the home page of the Prizepicks app. Next, go to the top left corner of the screen and tap on the menu icon. A side panel with several options will appear. From those options, tap on the one labelled Request Withdrawal. You will now land on the Withdrawal Request page. On this page, fill in your payment information using your Cash App card details. Once you've entered the correct information, proceed to complete the request. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you. If it did, make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to withdraw money from Prizepicks to Cash App.